Hi there, this is Stacy with WTI. Whether you're in your 30s, 40s, or beyond, you know the importance of using a good skincare item because those wrinkles, they seem to come up really fast. Well, this hyaluronic acid from Asterwood Naturals has been a great product to use so far. I've been using it for about a month and I'm really liking seeing not just the results, but also that my face feels well moisturized, definitely responding well despite the really cold weather where I live. I also really like that the bottle is packed with punch because just a few drops on my hand and the product blends in really well with my skin and it feels nice and smooth. I don't have any reactions or irritations to the product, so it's definitely a well-made product. I really like that I'm definitely seeing that my skin is smoother, no irritations, and also that I'm only needing to use just a little bit every time I use it. If you want to see some good results in even just a short few weeks, then go with this hyaluronic acid. But that's just my point of view.